Hamilton. Ball is stolen. And here's number for the tie game. One bounce and a foul. Rare, no good. Rebound and a putback sa first blood. Rest of the mark. Battle for the rebound number 05. Tie game. Pistachio, Sumegway.
Umatake.
Whoops, reverse layup off the glass. Bagat for one. X. Pinabitin. Pasok. Finally. Para sa koponan ng sa tres. Pascual. Back. Case play. Dito tayo ngayon sa Intertown ng Ilocos Sur semifinals para sa laban ng Nagbukel at Salcedo. In Nagbukel versus Salcedo, jump ball. First ball possession. Here's Salcedo. And here's number 11 to the corner. Picks. One bounce and a floater. No good. Rebound and a putback sa first blood for Team Salcedo. Sa tres of the mark. Battle for the rebound number 05. Tie game. Inbound for Team Salcedo looking for the receiver. Number 13 for the receiver na pull up off the glass. Baget for inbound for Team Nagbukel looking for the receiver. Bounce pass. Jersey number 0. Stolen. Here's Team Salcedo number 11 to Darim EC2. Istagio side step plays. Natapikan. And recover. Number 13. Here's Istagio. Number 7 drives, lays, no good. Rebound Nagbukel. Here's number 1, pinasa sa loob, fires, bucket for 2. And number 11, ipass to number 7. To number 11, Istagio, Sumegway, umatake, oops, reverse layup off the glass, bucket for. And here you go, Team Nagbukel. Number 1. And it's number 9. Number 8. Drives. Bumanga. Kicks out. Number 9 for 3. No good. Battle for the one. Put back of the glass. Bucket for 2. And here's number 7 to number 11. Number 29. Posting up. Hindi makatulak. Kinasa kay number 7. Good pass. And bumalik. Fires, pare, pasok yan. Pinasa, Biggs. Sa loob. Reverse layup, wala pa rin. And attacks, number 1. Biggs. Pinabitin, pasok. Finally. And here's Team Salcedo. To the rim, fires of the glass, bucket for 2. And Salcedo still up by 4. And here's Team floater shot. That's Nagbukel. Down to 2-point lead for Team Salcedo. Number 29 to number 21. Hamilton. Ball is stolen. And here's number 9 for the tie game. Collado. The long pass. And fakes clutch. Fire of the window. Bucket for 2. And here's number 30. Long pass, number 7. Side step, fires, bucket for 2. And Sumegway, umatake. Fires, pinabitin, no good. And still rebound. Hinabot. Number 0, number 1. Fires on 3. Short. Rebound. Number 0, fade away. Off the glass. Pumasok pa yun. Backdoor inbound. Number 30 looking for receiver. Number 7 receives the ball. Number 4. A good ball movement here for Team Salcedo. Number 4. He attacks. Bounce pass. Long pass. Fires. Basket and 1. And 21-20 score natin. Number 11, Istagio. He kicks out. Long 3. No good. Rebound. One bounce. Fading away. No good. Put back. Wala pa rin. Naagaw. Na-recover. Long pass. Crossover. Setting the play. Number 0. To the wings. Pull up jumper of the glass. Bucket. And here you go, number 11. And attack, slays, bucket is good. And 24-23 score natin. And change favor tayo para sa koponan ng sa 3. Pascual, change good. Rebound. And receive. Gisanda, binitbit, left-handed floater, no good. Number 11. To the corner, step back. Sa 3, bang! 3. Number 24 for Team Nagbukel. Wide open for 3. Bang! 3. And here's number 11, Pistachio. Pass inside, the love pass and good finish. Number 21 for Team Salcedo. Numero 1 sa 3. Bang! Slowly dribbling and drives. Magmamadali, cooks out. Rebound, the strong power move. Here's number 1 for Team Salcedo. I-pass number 29 sa 3. Number 1 wala. Nagkabanggaan. 9 nadali dun sa baba. And tinignan yung gwardiya dun. Easy to. And natapi ka. Number 1 stolen. And Liz wala. Rebound. Isa pa hook siya. 2, 4. And now, nag-bookel up by 4. Number 29. Pass to number 21. To the corner sa 3. Too strong. Rebound. Bumalik. Down to 2-point lead. And 12 seconds on the shot clock. Take. For 3. Down to 5 seconds. Sa gilid, side step, pass, bucket. And that's the end.
Eustaquio all the way, easy good points. Kaban, don't let the hand. Pass to Kawan. Bolsulan de Garcia. Tumapawan hantayin. There's no break for the last of the middle of the Carlos projected. Ablati on the other hand, use of the push. Ablati in speed goal. The assist with the ball. That pass to Eustaquio. Eustaquio is Ablati.
Dapat na 5 laban sa 4 to. Pull-up jumper.
Asa Kapawan. Kapawan with the ball. The ball goes to Jeffrey's hand. There's number 29 Agasser, he's 2 points. There's number 14 April. Left-handed layup save for number 7 Borrego, guard play Pakawan, Borrego with the crossover. Abenander, king out pass to the assist, corner 3. Basic dunk shot, rebound by Agasser, underneath the basket, yes sir. There's number 5 assist, that one's projected by Borgus. Number 7, Borrego uses the peak, attacks in the left. There's number 9, Alexander. Borrego with the ball, pass to Borrego. To Borrego. Now the assist, destination move. Borrego lets it fly. Rebound by Kaban. Tabulanan behind the pass of Garcia. Nice pass. By 11. Burigo on the middle. Leaves it to Hakaser. On the block of the ball. Looking for his teammates. Hakaser on the middle. Keep on pass to Burigo. Will run on the shot clock. Left-handed play opposite. It's number 7 to Rico. And kasama ng foul. It's to Corpus. Easy to points. 8 on the shot clock. There's number 21 Fernandez. We're going to number 21 Fernandez, Gardner Kapawan. There's number 24 Kapawan. Making it easy. Kapawan uses cover kick, bounce pass. Kapawan. Right to the rebound. Rebound by Kapawan to Corpus. Without a lead. And still missing 10 seconds game clock. Three passes to Rico. There's number 10. There's number 34 Corpus. He's going to push. Passes to the wrong man. Now number 7 to Rico. Accelerates. That runs on a defensive foul. William pass for Kaser. Decides not to take it. There's number 1 attacking to Corpus. Use the pass. Number 9 in Sandra. To Corpus. Reverse leg save for number 24 Corpus. To the assist, lets it fly. Rebound by attacking. Now Garcia out and pass. From Sandra on the play outside. There's another good from the Cruz to Alan. On time. These are the points. Now Bernales. For 3. 12 on the shot clock. There's number 21 Bernales. Wala pa rin. Fight for the rebound. Eustachio. Pass for 3. There's number 1 to Black. Pass to Macaulay. Kapan Stadium. There's number 11, Eustachio. Kapawan with the post, back to Kapawan, that's a 3. And these 2 points produce. There's number 1 that's attacking. Pass to Kapawan. Kapawan, basket, Here's number 10, si Ryan. Once rejected by the score, 86-22, winner, Nagbukel.